What's shaking up the markets and rocking the headlines today? We're diving deep into Maruichi Steel Tube's surprising stock surge. But that's not all. We're also uncovering if Tohoku Electric Power is a hidden gem. Then, we're exploring the buzz around COPT Defense Properties. And finally, we're breaking down Prince Harry's latest family drama. Buckle up, because Trendix is serving up all the hot takes you need. Don't miss a second, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Maruichi Steel Tube's stock is flying high. Is it undervalued? Get ready, because Maruichi Steel Tube, ticker symbol TSI, 5,463, has been quietly climbing, with its shares jumping an impressive 21% this year. Investors are buzzing, wondering if this steady ascent means the company is a steal or if the momentum is just getting started. While there haven't been any earth-shattering announcements, these are often the moments where the smartest money moves are made. This isn't just a small bump. We're talking about significant gains that have caught everyone's attention, especially when you look at their consistent, albeit modest, earnings and revenue growth. The question on everyone's mind: does the current stock price truly reflect Maruichi Steel Tube's full potential, or is there still room to get in on the ground floor? With a price-to-earnings ratio of 11.9x, which is lower than both the industry average and its peers, Maruichi Steel Tube is looking like a serious undervalued opportunity for savvy investors. Our analysis confirms this, suggesting a fair value that signals a potential bargain. But be warned, slow growth could still present challenges if market conditions shift. Don't go anywhere, because the market's secrets are just starting to unfold. Next up, we're switching gears to the energy sector and a utility giant that might be hiding a massive opportunity. Tohoku Electric Power, a deep dive into a potential bargain. Is Tohoku Electric Power Company, TSI 9506, flying under the radar with a valuation that's too good to be true? While this Japanese utility might not dominate the headlines, its recent price movements are definitely worth a closer look. We're seeing a mixed picture. A modest decline over the past year, yet strong performance over 3 years that outpaces many competitors. With no major news driving the action, it's time to question if the market is overlooking some serious value. Tohoku Electric Power is currently trading at a price-to-earnings ratio of just 3.6x, significantly lower than the Japanese and Asian electric utilities sector averages. This screams undervalued to many, suggesting the market might be pricing in short-term headwinds rather than the company's long-term stability and potential for recovery. Our valuation models suggest it's undervalued, but a deeper dive reveals a more cautious outlook from our DCF analysis. Could this be a classic case of market mispricing or a warning sign to tread carefully? Stick around, because the financial landscape is full of surprises. Next, we're shifting our focus to a company benefiting from a major defense spending boom. COPT Defense Properties, riding the wave of defense spending. COPT Defense Properties, ticker CDP, is suddenly on investors' radar, and for good reason. While the stock has seen some ups and downs, its longer-term performance is strong, with significant gains over 3 and 5 years. What's really exciting is the recent 10% rally, hinting at renewed investor interest, especially as modest revenue and net income growth continue. The real story here: an unprecedented surge in U.S. defense spending, including a massive $175 billion commitment to the Golden Dome missile defense project. This is creating a multi-year runway of demand for specialized defense facilities, driving higher occupancy and boosting revenue. Analysts are bullish, projecting modest upside based on these powerful sector tailwinds and the company's ability to scale. Our valuation models agree, indicating COPT Defense Properties is currently undervalued with a fair value of $31.86. However, any shifts in government priorities could impact this optimistic outlook. Don't click away just yet. We've got market analysis, but now we're diving into some royal drama that's captured global attention. Prince Harry and King Charles, a royal reunion and a Meghan dilemma. In a move that has the world watching, Prince Harry has finally reunited with his father, King Charles, for the first time in 19 months. The private tea at Clarence House, described by Harry as a meeting with his great father, sparks hope for a thaw in their famously strained relationship. This reunion comes after months of speculation, fueled by Harry and Meghan's public criticisms and Harry's book, Spare, which led to minimal contact with grandchildren Archie and Lilibet. The big question now, will Harry bring his children, Archie and Lilibet, to the UK to meet their grandfather? One major hurdle is security. Harry has been fighting a legal battle for state protection during his UK visits, a level of security he lost after stepping down as a working royal. Without this, he stated he can't see a world where he brings his wife Meghan and children back. Royal correspondent Jenny Bond suggests an invitation to stay at a royal residence could solve the security issue, but questions whether Meghan would even want to come, noting she seems happy with her life in the US. This thawing in relations is significant, raising the question, was all the past tension truly necessary? That's all the news for today, but your Trendix journey is just beginning. We've got a packed lineup, so stay tuned. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Maruichi Steel Tube is climbing and looking undervalued. Tohoku Electric Power might be a hidden gem in the utility sector. COPT Defense Properties is riding a defense spending boom. And Prince Harry and King Charles have shared a significant reunion. Thanks for tuning into Trendix. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more market insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all social platforms to keep the conversation going. See you next time.